Hey, Jerry Wilkins, the Arginine Doc, here with Kathy Spazzato, and she has had some amazing results using arginine, vitamin D, citrulline, antioxidants like pomegranate, grapeseed, grape skin extract. And so you had your cholesterol levels checked, and your doctor said what a few years ago? Tell me how that happened.
Well, 2 years ago, the doctors checked my cholesterol. They drew the blood, and they said that my cholesterol reading came back really high, and they suggested that if I did not get that reading to change within a few months, that they were going to go ahead and recommend that I go on some cholesterol medicine. And I didn't like that idea at all, so I never paid attention to the reading, knowing that it was high. Then I found the arginine product and began to take that product actually after having a screening and seeing how bad my tests came back with my circulation and the overall cardiovascular age. So I began to take the arginine, and within just a few months of taking it, I went back, actually just this past December, and got my blood work done again. And what you have in your hand is actually the results.
Right, which is a total cholesterol of 176, which is great, but I'll tell you what stands out to me, which is really, I've never seen this, where the HDL, or good cholesterol, is 87, which is actually better score, better reading than the LDL cholesterol, which was 72. I've never seen anybody have better or higher good cholesterol than their bad cholesterol. So high five.
Well, that's good news. Thanid you.
So now what did they say this time?
They actually said that I didn't have to come back for another 2 years, that it was so good.
So forget about the medication.
Forget about the medication.
Forget about it.
The medication. Wasn't going to do it.
Good.